Hey y'all, alright, it's Joseph and today we are having a Cécred wash day. Let's get into it. So I just got my hair colored. Shout out to Scalpgasm in Dallas. First lifted the color in June. Getting ready for the Beyonce concert. Shout out Travis D. Glasses off because it's time to get to business. Sectioning the hair, very important. Hot water. So I always go through and detangle with my fingers first. Let the hair know we coming through there, okay? First step, the clarifying shampoo. It's got a little nozzle or applicator, so you can put it directly onto the scalp. A little bit really goes a long way. Low key, this should have been 2 sections, so we're just gonna act like it was and take that down. It smells amazing too. This one has some exfoliating beads in it. So now we're just gonna get that in and work it into the roots. Like you might as well put lungs on the scalp and just let them go. So we're gonna rinse this out and we're gonna go immediately into step 2. That's rinsed out. I don't even know if you can tell, but just like to see a close up. So now we're gonna go in with the hydrating shampoo. Step 2, I'm only using this much. Make sure you get them edges. Boom. Imagine what that conditioner about to do. But first, we will do the rose and rice water ritual. Step 1. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes. Which means it's time to rinse. Okay, so I've rinsed out step 1. And there is a note that says, or I watched a video on the Cecred page that said if your hair feels like hard, that's normal, that means it's working. I wouldn't say it, I get what they mean. It doesn't feel like necessarily hard, but it feels solid or like textured, or yeah. The texture definitely feels different. Step 2 is the silk rinse. Ooh la la. I want all of it, so yeah, I'm getting every last drippity drop. Ooh. Do that, pull this through. Silk rinse is through. I think that's good. Let's set the timer. Ooh, so yeah, that where it was more like that texture I was feeling before, it is, wow. Timers are out. All right, so now that means we've done the clarifying shampoo, the hydrating shampoo, and the rose and rice water ritual. All right, so we're gonna start deep conditioning. I do this in sections. Same kind of following as what we saw earlier with the detangling. We're combing through. By the time we get here, really, you can do it with the fingers. Baby, I'm scraping this little thing, but everything it got, you hear me? End of this jar, RIP. But you know we got it on deck, baby. I'm gonna go over the edges in the kitchen. Watch this. Oh, baby. Can I take you home with me tonight? Uh-oh. And now I am going to cover it and sit under some heat. I'll see y'all on the other side. Mwah. No more than 30 minutes, just so I can check in. I I always do a little shake because it's good to separate the curl. We're going to rinse that out. Now for the final 2 steps. Now, what I love about the Moisture Seal is that no matter how much you put in, your hair soaks it up. So we're pulling it through from both sides. Get that kitchen. Extra love and care and attention. Nourishing oil. So just a few drops. We're gonna pull that through. And these 2 together, baby, they are great friends. I'm gonna go for a really long walk like Jill Scott. Let's take a long walk. And I'll be back to show y'all the results once it air dries. Boom. Okay, so we're dry. A full Cécred session from beginning to end. Still got some movement, which I love. Shrinkage is something, but good morning. This is day 2. Close up. Yeah, I think we're gonna give this a 10 out of 10. And I noticed a big difference in using the rice and protein ritual. And I told y'all I was already a fan with just the deep conditioner. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Healthy AF, I just can't stop looking at it, I'm sorry. Is it Cécred? Is it Cécred?